Hey, I'm Carl Chapman from Wi-Fi Gear and welcome to this unboxing video of the LigoWave 515N. So let's have a little look inside the box. Okay, so we're first presented with the quick start guide, has some typical network diagrams, also how to mount this to a pole. It also has the login credentials to get onto the AP. You have the 515N itself. And then in the lower area of the box, we have the PoE injector, UK mains lead, grommet and Jubilee clip. Worth noting at this point, if you require an EU mains lead, please let us know when placing your order and we'll get those swapped out. So the physical attributes, one of the first things you may notice is very small form factor, similar size to my hand, in fact. Makes it very deployable in areas where you need discretion and to keep it low key. Very lightweight, only weighs 450 grams. It has a pre-molded arm here, which when combined with the Jubilee clip allows for easy pole mounting. The serial MAC information about the device is all on the rear. We have LED indicators, don't know if you can see those on there, but down the side you have the power indicator, network, and also the signal strength. And to power this device and also to connect it to the network is the LAN port at the bottom, which when you're putting the cable in, you'll use that with the grommet because this is an IP65 rated radio as well, which is worth noting because a lot of lower end brands are not IP rated to that standard. So let's have a little look at the technology. Picking up the radio again, so an indication of the unit is a 515N. So this is an N radio operating. That is 802.11n or Wi-Fi 4. This unit can deliver speeds of 170 megabits per second, unlike its newer model, the 515AC, which can deliver speeds of over 500 megabits per second. But another similarity between the two, proprietary technology, both those units, this one and the 515AC, run on the iPoll 3. The range of this radio, bear in mind it's a 15 dBi antenna, is 7 kilometers point to point and 5 kilometers point to multi-point. It's also worth noting it has a beam width of 35 degrees, which is wider than the 520N or 520AC, which means if you're in a very congested area, you may look to the 520 over the 515. The power in and the PoE, this is a 10 watt 24 volt PoE injector. Worth highlighting that because if you have an 802.3 AF switch, you may not be able to power the radio. So do check your switch compatibility. If not, you're going to have to use the PoE injector, which we supply. Management. So the management of the radio is done by the LigoOS. It's the same management for all the DOB series. We have supplied some configuration videos for the point-to-point and point-to-multi-point of these radios. So if you haven't checked them out, have a little look and you can get orientated. The warranty and support, as standard, all the LigoWave radios come with 3 years warranty. This is a good bit of kit. We don't have many fail, but for those who do, we do have a RMA procedure which is followed. So if you head over to wifigear.co.uk, use the live chat or get in touch with your account manager, they'll be able to sort that out for you. So let's just finish on typical use cases in case you don't know where one of these radios might be used. Typical deployments are CCTV networks. Because of the small form factor, low and discreet, you can easily use these with your cameras. They're also used on holiday parks and caravan sites for the backhaul to broadcast the Wi-Fi. So that's it, that's the 515N. Hope you've enjoyed the unboxing and see you soon.